This reciprocating compressor has been boosting natural gas up to sales pressure for 70 years. That's a remarkable lifespan for a piece of equipment like this. And then maybe it isn't, when you consider the kind of maintenance and care it's received. Now, a good operator can do a lot to prolong the life and maintain the efficiency of units like this. Learning how to do that is what this module is all about. This is the first section of a 5-section module on reciprocating compressor operation. In this section, we'll take a look at a typical compressor package, including its components and subsystems. Now, before going any further, it's important to note that you should have completed the modules Reciprocating Compressor Principles and Basic Principles of Pressure and Temperature, or have had operations experience equal to the material contained in those modules. Now, if you haven't, we strongly recommend you complete those modules before studying this one. To operate a compressor efficiently, an operator must know the components and subsystems of the compressor package. So let's review those things now, using a compressor package to show you the examples of certain components. We'll start with the cylinder and piston. Here's where most of the action occurs in a reciprocating